All right, boys. All right, boys. All right, boys. Time for Daddy to film. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Yes, sir. I've been seeing a lot of videos stating that the food has been getting a little extra flavor, a little extra crunch, and a little extra condiment by this thing, which is a grill brush.
Cleaning up after summer grilling can be dangerous. Wire grill brushes can leave bristles behind on the grate, which can easily stick to food and be swallowed.
We got our answer on the CAT scan. He had about a 2-centimeter metal wire that was lodged in the peritonsillar tissues on the right. And he had been eating a hamburger when this had happened. So the grill brush, the metal wires on the grill brush had become lodged in the hamburger.
And what I mean by that is that these little spikes right here, which is the bristles off the grill brush, is becoming your enemy. So I'm here to say and set it straight up how to fix that issue that you have right here in this grill brush from the grill getting on your food. So stay tuned, because this is going to be simple hacks that's going to help you save a medical bill or save somebody's life, and potentially, you know, from nobody getting harmed eating your burgers, your hot dogs, your chicken, or whatever you're grilling on the grill. So this is your arch enemy, your arch nemesis, and the person that, or the thing that is supposed to create harm around your food. So here's the simple thing you can do in order to avoid those situations from happening. Any of these little spikes, little, you know, metal spikes that become dull over time and tend to fall off, what you want to do, this is an old one that I have, and all you have to do, guys, is replace it with a brand new one. Throw this sucker away. This was about $4.99, $6 or whatever it was cost. Throw it away and get you a new one. There's no point of holding on to this, because it's not going to do anything further than what it has already done. It's called wear and tear, and you're not supposed to reuse it after a certain amount of time. So guys, take that simple aspect of it, how to get rid of this and get you a new one in order to use it on the grill. So after you replace the brand new grill brush, as you can see, I got a brand new one. For those who grill and, you know, have little residue, which is the burnt charred meats that you guys are burning from the hot dogs, the steaks, the burgers, or whatsoever, the chicken, there's going to be residue that's remaining, such as that burnt aspect, and those residues is easy to clean. So what we do, guys, is just simply go up and down. Here's the trick that you can do. After you scrape it up and down, such as like so, you want to tap it. After you tap it, all these little leftover particles, if for some reason some of these bristles, the bristles from the grill brush drops into the grate and it's holding on for dear life for some reason, all you do is just tap it like I did, and all that's going to fall down. So guys, this is just some of the small variations of grill brushes that I have in my possession, but there's so many ample amount of variations out there in the barbecue world that you can get from any store or online for that matter. And these are just some of the 4s that I have in my possessions. But I'm going to link a video up here, which is my barbecue 5 grilling hacks, that has other options that you don't have to go to a store to purchase, because I'm sure some of the hacks that I mentioned in that video you already have at home, such as an onion and such as some aluminum foil, in order to use that to avoid the grill brush itself, or the bristles from falling off onto the grate. Again, holding on for dear life, for whatever reason it's holding on for dear life. But these are the 4s that you guys can purchase if you have the extra time and money. So this is the cheapest one. As I stated earlier, guys, I replaced the grill brush itself. As you can see, it's brand new, it's shiny, and again, eventually with wear and tear and durations of how many times you use it, you're going to have to replace this. This is a little bit more fancy. As you can see, guys, this house is water, and as you are cleaning the grates, you're just going to scrape up and down, and it disperses water to help you clean off the grates a lot easier. And to me, I have not used this gadget yet, but I'm looking forward to use it as myself. This is one of my second to favorite besides this one, but let me talk about this one real quick. This brush itself is nothing but plastic, so which means that it's going to be a lot stronger, in my opinion, and it's not going to affect the grilling the grate itself, because it's not going to hold on for dear life, as I'm saying it, because eventually this is going to melt, and the metal aspect of it is not going to melt, but this is plastic, which is going to eventually melt, hopefully down into the bottom of the catch area where the dirt and grease are at, versus the grate itself. But if it does for some reason, hey, my trick was to tap on the grate and everything should fall down to the bottom of the dirt catcher, or the grease catcher, I should say. And on the opposite side, it has a little bit of a sponge, which can help you finish it off and clean off any excess debris that might have been remaining on the grate itself. But this sucker right here is my favorite. And this is just a wooden paddle. Nothing fancy about it, nothing more than just a wooden paddle. And as you can see, it got already the grill grooves, grill grate grooves, excuse me, guys. And this is just a simple thing that you can use, and this will last you a long time. Reason why? Because it's made out of wood, and there's nothing that's going to fall off of this bad boy right here. But guys, this is just my simple explanation, simple hacks how to avoid having that type of situation happen onto your food if you are barbecuing for the whatever time of the year it might be in your state, in your city. So it's just to avoid any harm to those who are eating your food, because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that we're safe and we're producing great food for those who are our family and our friends, for those who are consuming our food. Because at the end of the day, you do not want somebody to say, hey man, I ate a burger from that person and man, I got hurt, man. One of those, for whatever reason, for another grill brushes, it was in, you know, that extra flavor was in my food. So let's avoid that, guys. So hopefully this was a simple video that helps you ease your mind on how to avoid those situations. So, and if you have any suggestions, comment down below in the comment box for those who are in need of help as well, of what do you do to avoid these grill brushes from falling off and holding on to the grates for dear life, as I'm saying it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found value in this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there and hit that like button for me, please, because it's going to help my channel out. So on to the next time, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.